In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the publish feature in the HTML5 versions of games found on the BravoZone. To really cut to the chase, the purpose is to preserve data from multiple sessions once you start playing a self-paced game. If collecting data from multiple sessions is important to you, and you've already had multiple sessions played, and you go in and change any data, specifically when it comes to questions and answers, this may skew the data within your game. So the publish feature has a few things set up to remind you, are you sure you want to change any of these features? If that is not important to you, or if you're primarily teaching instructor-led games, then this is a very easy and short tutorial. Preserving data is important. This is still very simple to understand. So I've created my game here in Catapult. When you get to the publish page, you can practice or publish. And publish is really a way to finish off your game and make it read-only. Click it. Your quiz is now ready to play. At any time you want to make changes. So for example, I can come in here, simply make a change to a question. To preserve that change, I can go up here and click on the Unpublish here, or go to the Publish page, Unpublish. This game has already been played. Unpublishing and editing questions may cause future report summaries to not match existing reports. Do I want to proceed or not? I'm going to go ahead and click Yes. Republish to save the changes we just made to a question. And our game is ready to play. And republish it. That's simple. If I've actually played a game and I go to edit, what's going to happen is when I first open up that game, it's going to tell me this game is published and cannot be edited. If you'd like to make changes, you can unpublish this copy. Note, making changes in an active game may affect the data in your reports. If you're okay with that, you can unpublish. If your goal is just to review the content, you can click Read Only. And at any time on any page, you can unpublish to make changes. Well, that's it. A very short tutorial on the Publish feature. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your training more engaging. Take care.